Hey guys, and Merry Christmas. So today I'm going to be doing a Christmas haul and I'm really excited to show you everything that I got. But I don't want to drag on this intro, so let's just get right into it. So I'm going to start with my stocking. This is my stocking, which I think I've actually had since I was born. The first thing that I got is this Dubai chocolate bar. I'm so excited to eat it. Then I got these little egg lollies. I love these so much. And as you can tell, I've already eaten them and we ran out of small containers, so I had to put it in this massive one, but there's not many left. I also got this like stocking thing. It wasn't actually in my stocking, it was just like full of chocolates and stuff, but I already ate it all. Then I got these little reusable water balloons. So there's an axolotl, a little jellyfish, I actually don't know what that one is, and I think this one's a turtle, but it's magnetic on the inside and then you can reuse it once you like throw it. And all my siblings got them as well, so we're gonna do like a big family water fight. Then I got this ball and they like bounce really high. And last but not least, I got some earrings. I'm actually wearing them right now. They're little like shell ones and they match this necklace that I always wear perfectly, which has a little shell and a C on it, and I literally love them so much. Speaking of jewelry, I got quite a bit this year, so I think I'm gonna move on to all of the jewelry that I got. I got these little magnetic earrings, which I'm actually wearing right now. It's this one right here, and they're gold and so perfect, and they actually look like real piercings and they're so cute. I've been wanting to see what seconds look like on me for so long, but you can also put them in like your helix or even as a belly button piercing, but I think they are so fun. Then in this little bag I have this necklace. It's so cute and it has these little like stars with like diamondy thing, and I've been wearing it like every single day since Christmas, but I'm just wearing the shell one today for the haul. Then my little sister got me these earrings from Holly and Harper, and they are waterproof, and I think it'd be so cute if I actually had seconds and then I could wear these with this one. Maybe I will get seconds one day, but I think these are so adorable. And my little sister and my mum have starfish earrings, and she said that she wanted to get me starfish earrings so we could match and I didn't feel left out. And I think that was the most adorable thing ever. Then from my brother, I got these two pairs of earrings, these gold hoops. I usually wear smaller ones, so these are a bit of a change and I really like them. And then these little pearly earrings. And it's really funny, he actually put them in like a big box and put coconut milk cans in it. So it was like really heavy and I was so confused what it was, but then it ended up being the earrings, so he was just tricking me. Then I got this necklace from my cousin. It's one necklace, but it looks like it's two. It's actually tangled. And it's got these super cute little charms on it. Then in this adorable little blue box, I got these pearl bracelets, this thinner one and then a thicker one from my grandma and grandpa. That's all the jewelry that I got, and if I didn't say who it's from, then it's from my parents or Santa. The next thing that I got is this tank top from my friend, and it kind of looks white but it's actually light pink and it's so cute. It's from Glassons and it's the perfect length and so soft. I love it so much. Then it's really heavy. I got a sewing machine and it's literally massive, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting to learn how to sew clothes for ages. And I got this blue fabric and white thread to go with it so I can practice, and then I'm gonna try and make some cute clothes. Then I got a new stick. It's a draw stick from Gate, and I was not expecting it at all. This is my old stick, which I've had since I started playing. As you can tell, she's been through it. The upgrade though, I'm so incredibly grateful. Now I'm gonna kind of move on to like beauty kind of things. Most of my gifts that I got this year, I can't really categorize, like they're all kind of in the other group, but we'll kind of just work with it. I got this curl balm from this place. I actually don't know how to say it, and you can use it to like scrunch your hair and make it curly, or you can also use it if you're gonna like style your hair, and it makes your hair so shiny. I used it the other day when I blow dried it. It feels so soft and shiny. And from my cousin, I got this little moisturizer thing from Sports Girl, and it's watermelon flavored, I think. Also from my cousin, I mean this doesn't really count, but it's a calming amethyst sleep spray and I'm so excited to use it. Then from my grandma and grandpa, I got this little Body Shop gift set thing, and inside is a body wash, hand cream and body butter, and it's all in the flavor sugar plum fashion. Gosh, I can't speak. And it's all in the flavor scent Sugar Plum Passion. And look, I haven't used any of this yet and it's so satisfying that it's so perfect and not ruined yet. It has a very like fresh smell. Then I got this claw clip from my grandma and grandpa. Also from my grandma and grandpa, I got 3 things from Mermaid. I got the mini shampoo, mini conditioner and this wax stick for slick backs, and I have used this already and it's so good. I have curtain bangs and also layers, and my hair refuses to stay in a slick back. This held it back so good, and it didn't make my hair look super greasy either, which is really good. From here on, nothing is really categorized, so I'm gonna try and put similar things together, but you're gonna have to bear with me. Got a diary for 2026, and you cannot really see, but it has like an engraved thing on the bottom and it says clear, and it's just really cute. And I have this diary basically every year, but in like different colors, and like the layout is so perfect, and it has lined paper because I cannot write in a straight line. Then I got a calendar. I have a calendar on my wall, and for the past like 2 or 3 years I've had a glitter Tama one. I'm doing a Christmas haul. What should they comment?
Hobbies in the chat.
Then I got this cookbook from my grandma and grandpa because I've been wanting to learn how to bake, and I actually got the ingredients today to make these cookies. They're the red velvet ones and they look so scrumptious. I also got a book which has like road rules and stuff in it, but I won't show you it because it actually says where I live on it. But I'm really excited because I'm gonna start driving soon, so I need to like learn all the rules because otherwise no one will be safe. Then from my cousin for Secret Santa, I got this picture album book thing which you can put Polaroid pictures in, and then I got a little restock of the like Polaroid picture film camera things, and they're just like the plain white ones, and I'm gonna start taking so many cute photos with them. Then from my grandma and grandpa, I got this towel. It's such perfect size. I can just put it in my bag and it doesn't take up like any space when I'm going to the beach. And then I got this sarong. And if you don't know what a sarong is, basically it's just a cloth that you like wear after you've been to the beach if you want to like go somewhere or just look cute. And last but definitely not least, I got this big box from my nana and granddad, which is empty. I'm kidding, it actually wasn't empty. I got a rebounder for lacrosse to like throw against so I can practice at home. I'm so grateful for everything that I got, and I love it all so much. Christmas of course isn't actually about gifts, but anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.